Hi guys, so today is Sunday night, so here I am. I'm ironing my uniform for tomorrow, so work again. Monday to Friday I'm working, so full-time workers, and after that full-time mom. And ganito dito, we need to work to survive. Sipag at syaga. Tapos yung mga balita sa Pilipinas, nagrarally because of the corruption happening now in the Philippines. Tayong mga mamamayan, papakahirap trabaho, sila naman mga politics, easy money lang sa kanila. Hindi nila pinaghihirapan. But like us, we work hard sa mga bagay na gusto nating marating, mabili. Pero sa kanila, it comes with the dirty things, dirty works. So after this, I'm going to check my kids and preparing them to go to bed. Because tomorrow, it's Monday, school again. Ginagawa ko na lang na flat iron or base tong bed namin. Hindi ako gumagamit ng tawag doon sa atin, yung pakabayo. So, ito na lang yung bed. Pwede rin. Kasi flat naman siya. It helps. Okay guys, bye. See you in my next vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe.